car delivered here to the warehouse. He's just gonna drop it right here and we're just gonna pull it in. So that's the truck right there. He's gonna drop it. Told you guys I was gonna bring it here. Y'all see it? Had to clear a huge space in my warehouse for it, so I got this whole space. Hopefully we can get it right here. We moved the mower and everything, so we got that whole space right there. Here's the car coming off the truck. Damn, I had dirty this thing, so get it already. So you got the car off already. I think it's still nasty, dirty. I'm up to like lost sheep. I think he the one that delivered before, I think, when they picked it up. But yeah, look y'all, we got the tib in here. As y'all can see, came in here last night, so I may or may not do the wrap on it. Hang on, I'm recording. I may or may not do the wrap on it. Go do the lights. Alright, let's get the lights on. Alright, there we go. Now we can see again. So I may or I may not do the wrap on it because we're trying to sell it. So I don't know. I might just do it just for some video content. But what the heck? Something leaked? Where'd that come from? Weird. I think it's paper towels down. So y'all see the tib? I'm about to take those down too. That looks horrible. This was already put up in there, but I'm gonna go ahead and decorate, y'all. I'm gonna see that. I'm gonna do like a little Christmas wrap or something. But y'all see the tib in here? Still got the rod mower. Don't walk over here because the floor is wet. Go back up that way. And got the window open. I have to mop over here because it got the floor dirty. And let's see. I guess he left the key in there, so I see the interior still good. It smells better in there now because I sprayed some disinfectant type spray and fabric sanitizer in there. But we still got these rusty wipers. I might probably tape this off and spray these later. Spray them black just to make it look better. But yeah, because you see how dirty that is. These whole things just need to be replaced, honestly, because they're super freaking rusty. So maybe we'll go ahead and take that off later. Let me know what you guys think, just to, you know, make it look better for getting it sold. So but I'm sorry, I got it here in the warehouse. It's here. Alright, you guys, I gotta go eat. Catch you guys on the next video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so. Hit that subscribe button right there. Yep, you. Go ahead. Click it. Thank you. Oh shit. Hope y'all can see this. I'm about to do this wiper right here. It's very rusty, so I mean, I didn't have no plastic, like plastic coverings for paint, but I found this packaging from a box, so This is what I'm gonna use. And then I used some styrofoam and like some pieces of like cardboard and stuff like that to protect the windows. Start with this one first, and I'm gonna get as much as I can on the rust. I've already sanded this before, but it looks horrible, but I just wanted to look at least decent. So I've already put enough money into this, so I'm not gonna try to do, you know, buy new wipers. So let's see here. Maybe I can do like that. You guys will see me spray it. So let's go get the spray and get started. Yeah. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna be starting on the spray. I gotta open the doors a little bit to ventilate. So this smells not too bad up in here. Hopefully this spray is not runny. Let's see if I can get it out. And I am gonna be using, if y'all can see this, that kind right there, satin black paint plus primer. It says no runs, no drips, no errors, so we'll find out just how true that is. All right, I kind of did that real bad. You're not supposed to really eat this. You're supposed to be like, but the reason I do that is because I don't want to waste too much paint. You know what I'm saying? Oh, this stuff stinks. All right, y'all, we're gonna try to get right here. Ooh, sorry about that. Looking a lot better already. And then I want to get down in here, but I might have to open the hood to get down in there. Okay. What are we gonna do? Back this up. I don't want to get on my camera. You know, hopefully you guys are seeing that good. Okay, so I'm trying to get down here without hitting the blade, you know. All right, so that's a lot. We're gonna have to let that dry. Then we might just have to do the second one later, but I'm about to just maybe get a thing and dry it a little bit. Fuse out some more. And I'll see if I can find another plastic, then we can do the other one. I don't want it to have like a lot of runs. When you do this, you should always wear a mask. Honey, so you're not, you know, breathing this stuff in a lot. We're gonna let this dry a little bit, you guys, and then we'll come back. Here, do the rest of them. Oh, y'all see my light? I don't have it plugged up, but. So we're gonna let that dry. And let it air out a little bit. Got the door cracked. And I'm gonna go do like some decorations. So we'll come back in like maybe like 25 minutes and see how it's doing. Then we just got a single one to do back here. Could probably just pop this out. I just take the arm off and just really spray that one. You just release it from there, right there. So let me see if I can get this off and I'll come back. All right, you guys, so I'm letting this one dry. There was a little run. You can't really see unless you're looking for it, but I'm gonna turn sideways. Look at this compared to that one. Okay, so let me know what you think. Look at that one compared to that one right there. Look at that. Y'all see the difference? We'll even zoom in. You see it? Now then you come over here and look at this one. And then look at this one. See, there's a little bit of runs. I missed a little. I'll touch that up. I missed the little spots right there. I'm gonna touch that up, but you probably can't see it on camera, but we're gonna touch it up and then you see, matter of fact, we're gonna hit it. Don't have to be perfect, just gotta look somewhat decent. As long as it doesn't run like it is right now. Hang on, y'all. We don't want it to run. Just take care of it, so we'll just get that off. But y'all see the difference, so look at that. All right, so we're gonna go do the back. We got the plastic on it. All right, stay up there because I'm about to spray. So I started a little bit. Y'all see how bad it is. I do need to find some more plastic to get right here. See, stop running. So we're gonna start on this one. I can't find my sandpaper. I didn't bring my sander in, but we're gonna do it, make it do what it do. Even if it runs just a little bit, it's fine. But what we can't have is that. Hold on, you guys. We can't have it kind of come down on the car. So I probably would need to sand this again after, but I will be doing a giveaway when I reach 500 subscribers. So if you want to be involved, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, leave a comment. And when I do the drawing, when we get there, then we'll have more details then. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.